This is a capture race challenge for white. White only has 3 liberties left, these 4 stones, and black also has 3 liberties left. So for beginners, you should note that white cannot escape. If you try something like this, then black will just throw in here and capture white in a connect and die. White also cannot jump here because after number 2 and 4, this is the same pattern. So white cannot escape and white shouldn't play here. And that means white must try to occupy one of black's liberties. There are 3, but if you try this or this, black will simply connect here and now black has 4 liberties left and white will fail. So white's only move is right here. But you might say number 1 will get captured right away. But as we've seen many times in this playlist, having 1 stone captured on the second line like this is not a big problem as long as you stand down here. So after number 3, black only has 2 liberties left still. And black must try to capture these 2 stones. And what white can do now is to cut here and throw in. Black must capture twice at 6 and 8. And now what happens is that white can Atari here. If black connects here, then white will be able to capture black at number 11. Black only has 2 liberties left here on the first lines, and black will not be able to escape. White will be able to succeed this way. Of course, number 9 can be here as well. If black plays from the outside, white can play at number 11 and capture black this way. So as we've seen many times throughout this book and throughout this playlist, this technique is super important. Sacrificing 1 stone here on the second line and standing down here, giving your opponent 2 stones. And then play this cut and the throw in and the Atari, and this will take care of your opponent because you've forced your opponent to play all these stones on the side, which has no liberties. And that's why sacrificing these 2 stones is worth it. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know below in the comment section. Thank you for watching.